What is going on, my two-wheeled friends? Out here doing a little microphone test. You know, it doesn't seem like I can ever get a nice sunny day to record. It's just always got to be overcast, and I know it provides a little bit of darkness in the videos, but not much I can do about the weather. Here in South Dakota, we're dealt what we get. And if we get a nice 50-55 degree day like today, with I think about a 20-some mile-an-hour wind, you know, it's blowing pretty good against me. That's considered a nice day here. I made a little bit of adjustment to my sound, I'm hoping. I have some permanent air vents on my helmet. They're always open, and I taped a piece of foam over the one near my microphone. I've noticed my last video, it seemed worse than ever. I had a lot of wind noise, and I mean, it could be due to some of this weather where it's just super windy. This helmet doesn't have a chin curtain either, but I don't really see the microphone dead cat moving around at all, so I'm hoping that this foam I taped inside the hole is enough to kind of keep that side blocked. So I thought I'd come out, do a little ride around, test some audio, and I want to talk to you a little bit about stickers. You know, I'm a relatively new YouTuber. I've only been doing this for about a month or so, and I do have fewer than 20 subscribers right now, but I've been considering picking up some stickers, my two-wheeled stickers, and seeing if there'd be any interest in that. You know, I've been following a lot of fellow motovloggers on YouTube for at least a year now. I know a lot of them have stickers, you know, and I've never reached out and asked for a sticker on any of them. But recently, Stevy Faux did a live stream video, and Mrs. Stevie got a new bike, and they had it on there of go to our Instagram page, comment what the make and model is of the new motorcycle and how many miles, you know, something of that like. And I went on there, and I really like watching these guys. You know, I feel really connected. Their personalities are very similar to how my wife's and I are, especially when we're together. And these guys are just such good people. You know, I just feel like they're friends of mine, even though they don't really know me. I do know they're subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate you guys watching as well. You know, I'm just trying to learn this stuff as I go, all pretty much on my own and by observing others. But getting back to the stickers, I am really excited to get the sticker from Stevy Faux. And I know it's just a sticker, but you know what? It means a lot to me. It came in the mail. I have not opened it yet. I wanted to make some kind of a video tying into that sticker because I'm super excited about this. So my wife actually got the mail, and she had it sitting. We kind of have a little banister type thing dividing the stairs going up and down. We have a split level house, and she had it sitting there. I came home from work and I saw the label on the top, and it totally made my day. Just seeing that I got mail from somebody I really enjoy watching their videos. I have went through and I have watched every Stevy Faux video all the way from the beginning, and have watched where they were and where they've, and kind of what they've gone through. Alright guys, so something that I am really excited about. Look what I got. So I have not opened this up yet. So let's open it up. Let's see what we have. Hey Dustin, thanks so much for watching our channel. Here's your sticker along with our card. Thanks again, Mr. and Mrs. Stevie. And there's the sticker. Pretty cool. Now I need to get a little sticker board, put these on, so if I move or whatever, I could take the sticker board with me. I at first thought I would just stick them all on my laptop as I get stickers, but you guys all know laptops die, so I want something that's going to be around and I can move it around. There we go. So thank you, Stevie. Appreciate it. And until next time, talk to you later. And I just think it's really cool. They are the first, you know, they're fairly new at motovlogging as well. So you know, they're still a small channel, but they're really the first motovlogger and bigger motovlogger to me that I have felt connected to. And I hope someday we can get together and do some kind of a group ride, you know, a triple vlog. I mean, can't really call it a dual vlog. You guys already do dual vlogs, but you know, I'd be the third wheel and just cruise around. I got the Road King. I'm up in South Dakota. You guys are down in Nebraska. Possibly meet in the middle somewhere. I don't know what's going to happen with Sturgis this year, but I do not have anything booked to go to Sturgis, but that would be something really fun to do. But what do you guys think? Leave some comments below. Are stickers something that are really important to you? Do they mean as much to you as they really do to me? You know, I gotta find something. I'm gonna buy some kind of a board for a sticker board, something that's not permanent that I'm gonna throw away or leave behind, you know, permanent in the house type thing. I want it to be so I can move it. But leave your comments below how important stickers are to you guys. I have a local company here in town that I can reach out to and see if they can make me some two-wheeled stickers. They'd be just like the logo that you guys see down here in the video. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel out. If you like watching motorcycle related content and you really like watching this video, please hit that thumbs up button and leave your comment below if you like receiving stickers. And if you do, how many stickers do you have? So big shout out to Stevy Faux, Mrs. Stevie, aka Fury Chick. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go check out their videos. I will link them in the description below. Totally unsolicited by Stevie. He doesn't even know I'm making this video. But guys, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to ring the bell so you receive notification when I upload next. And until next time, Peace out, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.